If you have a garage door with one whole torsion spring on the shaft, and you need to replace your modern door opener that goes on ceiling, you might want to consider one over the wall. This is the belt drive opener. I love the torsion spring on the shaft. It's got an arm that opens the garage door. Nice. It's also got electronic devil. This is Liftmaster. I got the well with me. And we have a Liftmaster. Top of the shaft. It's also Wi-Fi. And also, it's got an electronic deadbolt, medical deadbolt. Some garage has a medical deadbolt display. It is secure. It is in the right position. Now you can see what's on the outside.
Can you open this?
I'll open it, what?
I wanna go in.
You wanna go out?
I wanna go in.
You want to go out?
Go in.
You're going out?
Yeah.
You wanna go outside? Then I'll close it back up.
Alright.
Alright, I'll move it up. Here we go.
Thank you.
Close it up. And also, it also got some craftsman on the garage door opener. Garage door openers. Pretty cool. The light does not work. And it's also got the safety sensors. Just wave your hand in front of it. See it blinks. I'm going to keep it closed for a while because this dog will not stop whining. Yeah, the dog really. I'm in. Yeah?
Wait,
Are you came from the other side?
I wanna get... Di mana? Di mananya?
What is it?
Wait.
Oh, you just. Put it back inside.
Who's...
Huh?
Who is this?
I'm not really sure.
Ini oh.
Alright, now the garage door has a little bit of railing that goes across. It does have a Liftmaster. And like over here, at least it turns on, that one's not. So one sensor over here does blink. One sensor doesn't blink. And the inside looks like the same, but not on the outside. I also got It also got how long would you have the door open. I'll show you here. You can't tap, it's not a touch screen. It's also got a light. Here. It's got wall control. I can't really tell where the buttons. There are 2 buttons in here. Oh, this one has Liftmaster. I don't know what type of door it is. But also, I cannot tell. It's actually a wooden door. There is a emergency pull, but it's not even strong enough to pull it open. He thinks I'm just waiting in the garage because I'm just still packing up. But he won't stop whining. So, I'll see you when you're done packing. One more thing is, I remember I turned the light off. The light will not stay off. And the light won't stay off. So it'll just turn right back on. No, it's good. Here's the Airbnb. We'll be right back here. Right back here. Just get pictures here. No,
哎呀，又来了。
喂，有羊吗？
Yuk, sekarang sampah. Ayo.
Hah?
Kamu keluarin semua sampah.
Alright.
Ya.
Hold it sama.
Ya. Sampahnya keluarin semua.
Alright.
Periksa semuanya ya.
Not here, Mama. No trash here.
No, inside the home, guys.
Alright.
Check all inside the home. Check all the trash inside the home.
Okay.
Check all the trash inside the home and then take it out. Right, sit.
I found trash in the trash can, Mama.